Welcome, food enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of peacock green food recipes. This stunning color not only adds a feast for the eyes, but also brings a burst of flavor to your table. Let's explore some delicious and nutritious dishes that will leave your guests in awe. First up, we have a refreshing peacock green smoothie. Start with a base of spinach and kale, which are packed with vitamins and minerals. Add in some ripe bananas for natural sweetness, a splash of coconut water for hydration, and a handful of fresh mint for that invigorating touch. Blend it all together until smooth, and you'll have a vibrant drink that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Next, let's create a stunning peacock green pasta. Cook your favorite pasta and toss it with a homemade basil pesto. Simply blend fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil until you achieve a creamy consistency. This vibrant sauce not only looks beautiful, but also brings a burst of flavor that will elevate your dish. For an extra touch, add some cherry tomatoes for a pop of color and sweetness. For a heartier option, consider a peacock green quinoa salad. Cook quinoa and let it cool. Then, mix in diced cucumbers, green bell peppers, and avocado for creaminess. Drizzle with a zesty lime vinaigrette made from lime juice, olive oil, and a hint of honey. This salad is not only visually appealing, but also packed with protein and healthy fats. Finally, let's not forget dessert. How about a delightful matcha green tea cake? The vibrant green hue comes from high-quality matcha powder, which is rich in antioxidants. Combine it with flour, sugar, eggs, and a touch of vanilla for a moist and flavorful cake. Top it off with a light cream cheese frosting, and you'll have a showstopper that's sure to impress. Thank you for joining me on this colorful culinary journey. I hope these peacock green recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please consider following or subscribing for more delicious ideas. Happy cooking!